valedictory function of the international conference on adopting green initiatives for sustainability, and it has been a very good brainstorming session at the international conference, and let's look out who's going to gain the best paper prizes.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम एंड चलिए देखते हैं सामने में भी कवरेज ले लेते हैं बाकी लोगों का जो यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है। बस अभी हम 2 मिनट में शुरू करने वाले हैं इसको, और यहाँ पर मैक्सिमम लोग आ चुके हैं और इवेंट जस्ट हम शुरू करते हैं। ये लास्ट लाइन बैठी हुई, आप हाय बोल सकते हैं यहाँ पे कवरेज। हाय, चलिए सुमन मैडम आज स्पेशल ब्रीफ देने वाले हैं मैडम, सुमन मैडम 10 मिनट का। चलिए हाय कीजिए, हाय। So here we are ready for the valedictory function.
What is sustainability? How industry, institution and community can think of sustainability and interconnect with each other in achieving sustainable living. Dr. Nitin Ravsridwar, Chief Scientist and Head, Energy and Resource Management Division CSIR, explained how blended and new fuels present another opportunity for new generation of automobile catalysts, including those required for control of methane slip in CNG fueled automobiles.
And last but not the least, I would like to clap for all the people, especially the students, green warriors. They were everywhere to help us and taking care of us. Thank you.
Great learning experience in this conference, and I am glad that I am a part of this conference to present my work.
Good afternoon, all of you. First of all, I will congratulate to all the organizing members and the organizing team. The conference is really a wonderful conference. I learn a lot, and I am working on sustainability only. I, Dr. Malvi Chandra, Organizing Secretary of ICAGRS 22, welcomes you again in this valedictory function. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce today's chief guest of this valedictory function, Dr. Mathis Taviki. He is an assistant professor, acting head of the Department of Development Policy and Marketing at Institute of Economics and Finance, Warsaw, University of Life Sciences in Poland. He has studied human geography and special management at the University of Warsaw in Poland. He also graduated from complementary studies on environment protection and postgraduate studies on property valuation and property management. Sir is PhD in economics, specialty regional policy, local and regional development. He teaches mainly human geography and subjects connected with tourism and regional development. Mathis Taviki sir took part in many projects as contributor and project manager, working on issues of sustainable development and rural development, regional and rural local development, evaluation of European policies. He is coordinator of projects investigating regional policy evaluation, innovation policy and green economy. He took part in several international scientific conferences with papers or posters. Sir is organizer of multiple conferences and events and has experience in projects on green economy, sustainable development and sustainable transport in urban areas. I would like to invite you, sir, for your valuable suggestions and guidance. So please, sir, welcome, sir.
I'm very, very happy to be here. Actually, it's a great honor for me to be invited to this conference as a guest, and that's why I would like to thank very much Dr. Vivek for inviting me here. Well, what would I like to say? At first, I would like to say that I'm very much impressed by the number and the quality of the presentations, about the variety of topics that we've discussed here yesterday and today. And generally by the role of this conference and generally the role of LDJSS and the Priyadarshini Institute of Technology in enhancing sustainable development. I, as a member of EGIA team, have been watching what you are doing here for the last 3 years, and I'm really impressed because so many things were done, so many events, so many workshops, so many conferences, sustainable development. I'm really impressed. I'm very much thank you all for doing all this. Thanks a lot. And good luck, of course.
No speeches, and Machi was also very crisp and short. Thank you, Machi, for that, and it's always pleasure to be with you. So, dear participants, I'm really overwhelmed, and my first duty is to congratulate organizers for doing an amazing job. एक भी complaint, एक भी comfort zone, इतना सभी कहीं कुछ हुआ नहीं है. So I'm truly happy. A big round of applause for my organizing committee. Because organizing an event of this magnitude is something very like there are 25, 30, 40 dimensions. So out of these 40 dimensions, there are all the chances that somebody somewhere is upset, somewhere something goes wrong. But then with the kind of leadership of both the conveners, organizing secretaries, teams, and entire group, everybody did their job the best, and hence the result. And then we are listening to a lot of appreciation. The formal appreciations were like in 3 or 4, but I am listening and I am overwhelmed with the kind of appreciation people are giving. Finally, the duty given to me is like announcing this. So session 1, which was in that seminar hall, second prize of that session 1 goes to Nisha Sharma. It was oral presentation number 9. It is energy from calcium sulfate dihydrates. Congratulations. May I request Machi sir, please do the honors.
सही बात, अच्छा है. This is
Third prize in the same session goes to Carol. Is he here or not? Is Carol here? No? Oh, he must have left.
I can take for Carol.
You can take for Carol. I will request Alice sir to hand over the prize and Machi to receive it on behalf of Carol. It was modeling of tree stem shape of various genetic origins for Scott Pine from Central Poland. So it was a good time. Carol belongs to St. Warsaw University of Poland. And the first prize in this category goes to Sarika Vitalkar. It was oral presentation number 11 and promising low cost absorbent based on C-waste. Congratulations to all the 3 members. Thank you so much. Session 2, which happened in this seminar only. Third prize, Dr. Anita Chandak madam. Congratulations ma'am. It was a presentation for 14 and it was about biodegradation of vegetable waste. Congratulations ma'am. Second prize, Miss Neha. Is she here? Miss Neha.
No, sir.
Did-
She was not here.
Yeah, she is here already.
She
Okay,
is
fine.
from Delhi.
Okay, she has left. Okay. Okay, fine. We will arrange to send that memento and then by courier. And the first prize, Meenakshi Bagre. It was green wall waste treatment for reclamation of grey water, a new approach. Thank you so much, madam. I request you to announce the remaining one.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. It's been a lovely 2 days. We really enjoyed it ourselves, and the sessions were really very good, and the judges had a tough time in prize goes to Laksh Tyagi. Laksh Tyagi, Habitat Perspective. Congratulations, Laksh. And the first prize goes to the person who appreciated us at the first, and I'm sure he can understand, Dr. Meshram from LIT. Congratulations. Now, fourth session, third prize goes to OP 1313. OP 13. I'm sorry, I do not have the names. I think Dr. Shubhangi.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Congratulations, ma'am. Second prize, OP 44, Anand More. Anand More. Is there anyone who can collect his prize on his behalf? Okay. First prize, Dr. Asudani.
Oh yeah. Yes. Congratulations.
Now, poster presentations, that is the last session. Now, what do you want me to do? Start with the first prize or the fourth prize? What? Okay. I start with the third prize, PP2, Atul Hembe. Base thermocol and acrylic paint. Second prize goes to PP14, Mohammad Shahid Shiraz. आ जाइए, सब लोग आ जाइए, पूरी टीम आ सकती है ग्रुप फोटो के लिए. And the first prize goes to PP7, Deepika Victoria. सीमा रत्न, भारती ब्रांडेड, प्रवीण संकेत, स्वीटी रोकड़े, मनीषा फोनमा. I congratulate all the winners, but at the same
afternoon to everyone present here. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making this international conference on adopting green initiatives for sustainability 2022 a huge success. First and foremost, I thank our management for their moral support. I thank all the distinguished invitees, international delegates for this conference from Germany, Poland, Switzerland, Nepal, Kyrgyzstan, Cyprus, and all national delegates from India. Thanks to all deans, co-deans, associate deans, head of the departments and faculty members of various departments present here for adding meaning to this function. Take risk in your life. If you win, you can lead. And if you lose, you can guide. With this inspirational quote of Swami Vivekananda, I, Satish Tiwari, thank you all once again for joining the today's valedictory function of International Conference on Green Initiatives for Sustainability 2022. Thank you so much all.